Hello, and let's make the orb with me. I'm your narrator. My name is Steph, and it's going to be great. You're going to need a cereal box, any will do. You're also going to need to print that stencil. I have it on Teams, so you can get it easily. So we're going to cut the sides just like this. And then we're going to trace it onto the cereal box, just like this. It's going to be great. So as soon as we do this, then we're going to cut them. You're going to need 3. Here, I'm going to use the ruler. And this is the reason because I want to make sure that I have perfect rectangles. I'm also going to make a little line right there. And that little line is very important because that's where you're going to attach the circle together. Now I want to show you one thing. I do cut a little piece right there, and that is just extra. Just don't get it confused. Now we have all 3 of them. Great. Now we're going to score those little half moons with something a little sharp, but not anything that will cut you because ouch, it will hurt. So we're going to score all of them because I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so now I'm finished scoring. Yay! And you see, now we can make the little circles. But look, you see what the scoring does? This is very important because you know why? That way you can fold them a little easier. Don't score too hard because then you'll rip the paper. So now, here we go. We're going to make our little circles. And now we're going to tape it right the little space that we left behind. Okay, don't tape it to the edge. Don't tape it a little bit more or a little less. Just right there. Trust me, I made a couple mistakes. So now we're going to put 2 together like this. Other one, we're going to tape it through. So you're going to go one way and then you're going to go the other way. Just like this. And then you're going to tape it. It's going to be a little rough, but that's okay. You'll manage. It'll be fine. It fits perfectly. So now we're going to tape it. So I tried to do it this way, but then I decided, wait a second, that doesn't make any sense. What was I thinking? Well, this is what you have to do. You have to turn all those little things around because the little half moons have to be shown outwards. Let me show you. Well, there you go. See, they're all outside. Look at them go. And now you're going to push where you scored inwards, okay? Here you're going to have to kind of manhandle it a little bit, but it'll be fine because it'll be great. You're going to push, push, push. Now, I do have to warn you, the last one is the hardest one. So you might want to just be very, very, very careful, but you also want to make sure that you push it right inside. And there we go. It's an orb made out of cereal box. Fantastic. Now, you don't have to do it out of cereal box. You can also do it out of paper if you don't have. You put 2 papers together, glue them in the middle, and wait for a couple of minutes, and then come back and you have a nice hard paper or cardstock.